119 is this. Focus here. 119 DR193. Okay, 119 into the list now. 119 DR193. Confirm. 120 DR183. 120 DR183. 120 Philips DR183. Confirm. 121 Philips 2 band and AR135. 121 AR135. Confirm it here also in list. 121 AR135. confirm. 123 Philips and model number 153. Where is 153 written? This is Philips model 153. Model number 153. Delhi 17. We have to confirm it. Same model 153. Philips 153. Philips 122 153. Where is the model? I think the model has been misprinted. We will give this as model number. One 154671. 154671. Follow my hands. 122. Philips number 123. Philips 1 model number 151. Yeah, this is AR151. 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 Confirm. Philips 124. Philips 124 OTR. Model number 0TR. OTR. 124 Philips OTR. Confirm. Why is so much darkness in this?
Because camera is of shit quality.
Pause the video. ठीक है. Keep try turn off the flashlight. I think then it will be much better. Okay, keep it on. Turn on other lights. Is it perfect now?
Yes.
Okay. Continue. 125. This is integrated radio with portable Bosch radio and cassette recorder. Bosch, and model number is Bosch MRC117. So here in list also we have Bosch 125 MRC117. Confirm. Again we have 126 is sports AM FM. Here again we have integrated radio, and 126 White Westinghouse WPS 1204. So White Westinghouse model number WPS 1204. Model number 1204. Confirm. 126. 127 now. 127 Philips RR286, Philips RR286, confirm RR286, 128 now. $128 now is you can see the AM/FM chart, integrated radio, and this is Kingo 128 Kingo ME 299, confirm. And 129 Akai, model number 103, 129 Akai, model number 103, confirm. Panasonic 130, model number we have to see RXM, model number is RXM51. Let us search for that model number, RXM51. This is Panasonic model number RXM51, RXM51 130, confirm. RXM51. Okay, done. So we have done with this box. Now we will move into another box with 131 to 140 number radios. Okay, pause it now. We are taking them out. With 131 now. 131 is Sanyo. 131 is Sanyo BIG 180 is the model number. In list, focus on BIG 180. Yes, 180. इतना अंधेरा क्यों है? BIG 131 Sanyo BIG 180. This is confirmed. साइड कहाँ है? Mason 132 Mason, model number is RP681DL. 132 Mason, you will see for model number is, where is the model number? RP68. RP68DL is here is the model number. So in list also we have got RP681DL 132, confirmed. Moving on with 133. 133 is Samsung radio, and the model number we will have to see. 133 Samsung RC-A195. See, Samsung FM AM radio with mono cassette recorder integrated, model number RC-A19S. See, RC-A19S, confirm. 133. 134 is National radio with it also has integrated cassette player. Model number is RX150, 134, confirmed. Moving on to the next page is 135. 135 starts from here. Another radio is from Bose company, and the model is 185K. It also has integrated cassette player. 135 is, this is Sanyo radio, not Bose. This is Sanyo radio, and model is BIG 185K. So in list also 135 Sanyo BIG 185K. This is also confirmed. Another radio 136 Koryo Concerto. This is also confirmed. This one is unique. 137 radio is Sony CFM 155S. This is Sony radio 137. You have to see the model numbers CFM 155S. So here is the model number. Where it is. This is the model number CFM 155S. This 155S. In list also we have got 137 Sony CFM 155S. Confirm. Another big radio we have got. This is 138 number BPL RT 2007. This is BPL radio. BPL India is written here. We will search for model number, confirming the model number from back. Model number from back BPL India RT 2007. In list also we have got the same 138. Confirm BPL RT 2007. Keeping it this way, this side. Another radio and cassette player we have got. Integrated cassette player it has. So this is 139 Beltec 530 radio. So this is 139 Beltec. This is Beltec. Beltec is written here. Confirm. 140th. We have got 140 VMF 113. Confirm. Videocon radio. Videocon radio with integrated cassette player. This is also confirmed. So we have done up to 140. Next we will be starting from this 141 to 148. Keeping all these radios. See. So keeping all these radios back into this box, and then we will be taking out these and counting them. Okay, pause the video now. Put them down. Arrange them in sequence number. Okay, first take all of them down. So these radios we have taken out, and this belongs to 141 category 2. What is that last number? 141 to 148. Okay. 141 to 148. This is 148, and after counting these we will be moving on to this section, and belongs to 149 to 168. Okay. (141) is Videocon RTMF 12. Focus the model number. Okay, done. See in list 141 Videocon RTMF 12. Confirm. 142 is VSF 241. 142 is Videocon VSF 241 in list. This is also confirmed. 143 is Thomson radio, and the model number we will see 143 Thomson 2010 is the model number. 2010 confirm. Here it is confirmed. 144 RTMF 16DX Videocon. So this is 144 number Videocon RTMF 16DX. RTMF 16DX. The model name is confirmed in list also. 144 Videocon RTMF 16DX. Okay, focus that model number.
First.
Okay, 145 again a Videocon radio with integrated high Bose stereo system. 145, and it is a 2-band radio with the 145 Videocon SF15. SF15 is here, so this is also confirmed. SF15, 145 is confirmed. SF15 Videocon 145 confirmed. Now we move to 146. 146 is Philips DR185 radio. Philips 146 Philips DR185 confirmed. 147 is Philips 115 radio. Philips 147 Philips radio. This is also confirmed. 146 is 115 radio. So 146 is 115. There is a printing mistake. This is also confirmed. 148, and we are moving to 148 radio number, and this is also Philips 148 Philips 142 confirmed. Okay. One 54241. So we have counted up to 148 now. Keeping them back, and we will be starting from 141 to 168 next. Pause the video now. Continue करते. Okay, done.
Start.
Okay, counting radios from 149 to 166. Yes, 166. Okay, starting from 149. 149 is Philips radio. 168. Counting from 149. 149 Philips DR 142. 149 Philips DR 142 confirm. DR 142. Next is Philips 115. This one is Philips 115. This is also confirmed. One is Sony 243. This is Sony 243. This one also confirmed. 152 is Grundig. Yes, this one is Grundig, and this model name is not available. This one also confirmed. We have got National Panasonic next. 153. It is a 2-band radio. This one also confirmed. 153 National Panasonic. Next one is 154 Sony radio. 154 Sony radio RP3800. This one also confirmed. Caltron. Next one is Caltron. This is Caltron solid state 155. This one also confirmed Caltron. Focus here. This one is Caltron. Next 156 National Prestige. This is National Radio, National Prestige Radio 156 confirmed. Next 157 is Grundig Radio. This one is Grundig Radio 600 solid state. 600 solid state. This one also confirmed 157. 158 we have got a beautiful radio with Basant name. Basant in India signifies green color. That the festival with name Basant Panchami is the inauguration of spring season. So 158 Basant also confirmed. This is Telefunken. 159 is National Panasonic. This one also confirmed. Next one we are moving on to 160. 160 is a solid unique radio with 8 transistor. 160 Sony 8 transistor confirmed. 161 is a beautiful radio, looks like a golden color. This one belongs to National Panasonic company. This one also confirmed. 161 8 transistor 2 band radio. 162, moving on to 162. 162 is DEC company. This one also confirmed. Malhar. 163 is again a Malhar, but this one is Telefunken. This one is also confirmed. 163 Telefunken Malhar. Moving on to 164 Tele Radio. Tele and Vision Radio. Tele Radio 164 confirmed. Its model name is not available, but it is a unique radio, single piece only. Sony 2 speaker radio. This one also confirmed. Sony TR912. Sony, we are confirming the model number because we already had Sony radios. So this model number we are confirming TR912. Focus here. Okay. Focusing in the list also TR912. This one also confirmed. 165. 166 is Telefunken Camed radio. This one also confirmed. 166 Telefunken Camed radio. Focus here. Camed radio. Telefunken. This one also confirmed. Moving on to next one is 167. This is a small radio with MP3 player also. So this is Sony Lex FM radio SL405 is the model name. In list also we have got 167 Sony Lex SL405 FM. This one also confirmed. 168 is Roberts FM radio, portable radio. This one also confirmed, a unique one. 168. So we have counted up to 168 number. We will be starting from this section now. As you can see, this section radios we have counted. These radios were taken down and they are being kept here. The counting has been done, and the next section we will be covering this one from 169 to 190, and will be finishing up this rack, this full rack. Kindly show this rack. Okay. Until now we have completed from that section and we reached up to here. So okay, pause now. Pause the video now. Sony Lex. So moving on with number 169 is Sony Lex radio, 7-band receiver, SL412 FM. So here is the Sony Lex SL412 FM. Confirm the model number from list now. Show me the list. Focus on that Sony Lex SL412 FM. Focus on the number. The number should be visible. Every time you have to press here so that it focus automatically. 169 confirm. Focus here also. 412. 169 done. 170 radio number 170 is Ramson Bazooka. This is a 4-band portable radio. Ramson 4-band portable radio Bazooka confirmed. 171 is Fracor 722. 171 Fracor 722 is the model number. This is confirmed. Made in Hong Kong. This is Fracor 722 confirmed. 723 now. 172. Radio number 172 is Sony 7R 172 Sony 7R. We will be confirming the model number Sony because already we have a lot of radios with Sony brand. Sony, and so I think we have to pull this box out and show you the model number. Sony, this is Sony 7R. So confirming the model number from here, Sony 7R55. So in our list also we have got this one is 172 Sony 7R55. Confirm this. So Sony 172 confirm. Unpacking it, show it from wide lens from above. Unpacking it now. Okay, 172 is confirmed. Moving on to 173 is a Kachibo radio, Kachibo KK912. So 173 Kachibo KK912 confirmed. 174 again is Kachibo KK3009, different model number. Kachibo KK3009 confirmed. 175 is Amazon radio. This must be Ramson, but this is Amazon radio, and this is a 12-band radio. World receiver 12-band. 175 Ramson confirmed. 176 is again a Ramson radio. This is the Prince version. 176 confirmed, 5-band radio. Another we have Telephone Didar radio 177. Telephone Didar confirmed, 2-band radio, solid state. 177 confirmed. 178 we are showing. This is the 178 number radio.